What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing the first ride and review of the Velotric Discover 1 electric bike. Before we get started, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Velotric Discover 1. Use code SHREDDY60, get $60 off your order. If Velotric isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So guys, in this video, we're going to be doing a quick overview and then we're going to get right into the speed test, and we're going to also be doing terrain tests. Even though this isn't really an off-road bike, this is made mainly for the streets, but we like doing these stress tests on these bikes for fun. The Velotric Discover 1 is equipped with a 48 volt, 14.4 amp hour battery hidden right here in the frame that gives it a nice sleek look to it. It takes about 6 hours for this battery to charge from dead to full, and it does come with a 3 amp charger. They claim up to 65 miles max on this battery, but we'll see about that. The Velotric Discover 1 is equipped with a 500 watt geared hub motor with a 900 watt peak. The Discover 1 can accommodate riders from 5'1" to 6'9", and the frame is made out of aluminum alloy. The Discover 1 is equipped with a front hydraulic fork. We also have this nice front LED headlight. And back here is a rear integrated taillight. When you hit the brakes, it gets brighter at nighttime. For those of you guys that do like to pedal, we do have a Shimano 7-speed derailleur. And right up here, guys, is your shift lever. We also have hydraulic disc brakes, 180 millimeter rotors front and rear. So it's definitely gonna have some good stopping power. And right up here on the left side are your controls for your power and pedal assist up and down. The Velotric Discover 1 is also equipped with 26 by 2.5 front and rear tires. We also have a nice little kickstand down here. It works pretty well in the sand. For those of you that like to ride in the rain, we have front and rear fenders. The bike weighs 65 pounds. Max load for the bike is 440 pounds. The bike also does have pretty nice long crank arms that make it easier for pedaling when the bike is powered off. They do claim a speed of about 20 miles an hour on this e-bike. It is a class 2 bike, so it's not going to go any faster than that. Overview's done. Now let's get to the fun part. Top button is your on button and your display. What's also cool about this bike is we have a thumb throttle right here on the right side. I'm pretty sure it does have a walking mode, so I think if you hold the down button, yeah, it starts going into like a little walking mode. A little chilling mode in case you want to hold that, drink some coffee. You don't have to worry about the throttle. I don't think the display tells you the voltage on there. So just so you guys know, the pedal assist levels do go with the throttle. So pedal assist level 1 and throttle are probably about 10 miles an hour. Guys, we're in the pedal assist 5 and we're going to go full throttle to see what our top speed is. My guess is around 20 miles an hour. Not too much crazy torque, but definitely enough for somebody that is not used to e-bikes. 20.2 right there. Thinking 20 is about the top speed for this bad boy. 20.4, 20.6. All right, we're gonna turn this around, see if we can go faster than that. So the top speed in pedal assist 5 is 20.6 miles an hour. So it's just an adjustable front fork suspension. So anyways, we're gonna see what top speed we get in pedal assist 5 with actually pedaling it. And I tightened it up as much as I could, but I don't think it's really gonna change that much. Let's go into gear 7. $20.7, 20.8, 21.1, there we go. There we go. I got another mile an hour with help into pedaling. All right, we're gonna go down to level 4. Looks like the speedometers are pretty close. 16, yeah, they're actually pretty close. All right, that's it. Level 4, we hit 17.4. All right, let's do top speed for level 3. Let's go. 13.9. Can we hit 14? Yeah, 14.1, 14.3. Yep, we'll stop at that because we're going uphill here. 14.3 for level 3. Let's go down to level 2. All right, level 2, top speed. Maybe 12. There it is, 12 miles an hour. 12.1. All right, we'll stop it there. At 12.1 miles an hour top speed and level 2. All right, guys, now to level 1. After this, we're gonna do some terrain testing. Can we hit 9? 8.9, there it is, 9. We're gonna say 9 miles an hour for pedal assist 1. Just so you guys know, This bike is powered by a cadence sensor for your pedal assist. So once you start pedaling, it just goes, as opposed to a torque sensor where it kind of gives you what you push into it. When you guys are pedaling it with pedal assist 5, just know that it will start taking off right away. So hold on with both hands every time you're using pedal assist. Maybe Shreddy can wheelie it. All right guys, here is one of my favorite tests. We got to ride it through some of this gravel and dirt just to see how the front suspension handles. Some bumps, some potholes. Oh God, I hope the front tire doesn't fall off. That's the only thing with this front tire. It's actually one of those quick releases, and I'm not too well versed in the quick release, or I don't even know if I tightened it right or under tightened or over tightened. So if you guys know much about these quick release levers, definitely comment down below. But yeah, this bike is handling off-road like nothing. This is awesome. We're gonna do some hill tests too, guys. Yeah. Let's see if it can torque me through these little, oh man, yeah. No rear suspension on the biscuits. Surprised it's actually powering me through this stuff. Nice, that's awesome. Handlebar is definitely comfortable. The grips, definitely nice ergonomic type grips. I'm probably gonna swap them out to some kind of like camo grips on this. I think it'll look cool with the gray. Let's play. Feels pretty smooth. Jump. Oh yeah. All right, we gotta do the hill test. We gotta do that hill test. If this can get me up that hill without any pedaling, I'll be surprised. But let's go into first gear. All right, here we go, guys. Let's hope I don't get in trouble. Here we go, full speed up this hill, right through the grass. Oh God, that was brutal. Oh, I gotta pedal it. I gotta pedal. Oh, but it's not bad pedaling it. It's not bad pedaling it. Look at that, guys. Dude, the Discover one, not bad at all. Look where it got me up this hill. This is crazy. Awesome times, awesome times. Good job, Velotric. All right, let's get down from here. Definitely happy with the front suspension. I did let a little bit of air out of the rear tire though, so it's like a little bit bouncy on the back. All right, let's see how it handles little baby speed bumps, even though you're not supposed to jump this bike. All right, I'm gonna see if I can make it up this sandy hill. I'll probably start pedaling, but I'm gonna hold on for dear life if we can make it up here. Nope. Look at this beautiful view out here, guys. All right, just a quick brake check. The brakes actually do feel pretty well tuned, like they did a good job, no bubbles. I did an endo. Is it endo or endo? I think it's an endo. All right, we're gonna do a little hill test. 500 watt motor versus little hill. There we go. All right, from a stop. Nope. All right, now I'm not gonna do only throttle. I'm just gonna do pedal assist in gear 1, just to see if I can pedal up this from a stop. So let's go. No throttle at all. There we go. Pedal assist kicked in. Ah, not bad at all, not bad. We made it. All right, you know it's a Shreddy video, right? So we gotta ride through the grass. Let's go. All right, I'm kind of scared of this curb drop. It's a little high, but we're gonna do it anyways. Okay. All right, maybe we'll do it again. What the heck? That bus just went in my lane. It just went over that. Did I catch that bus hitting that thing? The throttle control on this bike is very smooth, so I can see myself holding on to a cup of coffee and actually drinking while throttling. Some bikes have like jumpy throttles, but this one feels pretty smooth. The curve feels nice. It does have like a slight delay to it. The frame does feel very solid. Nothing feels janky or loose. Nothing's shaky or rattly. Definitely a solid choice if you're looking for a sub $1,500 e-bike. Easy to ride with no hands either. So guys, I can't really give you too much of a range test because I usually go by the voltage. So we have gone about 4.3 miles and there really isn't a dent in the battery gauge, but I just wish that the display would give us the current voltage of the battery. Guys, in the comments down below, let me know, what do you guys think about this e-bike so far? Definitely not an off-road type e-bike. Oh my God, I thought those were spider webs. But we're gonna treat it like a Suron right now. Oh, it's so bumpy back here, guys. Hope there isn't a pedestrian. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of the video, but we got one more thing to do. We gotta hit the church jump. Top speed, 20 miles an hour. Front tire stayed on, we're good. I'm happy. Guys, if you guys enjoyed that review, definitely don't forget to drop a like. That was a lot of fun. Guys, definitely comment down below. What do you guys think about the Velotric Discover 1 high-step electric bike down in the comments? What do you guys think about how it handled with what I threw at it? So if you're looking for a more stealthy type e-bike, this thing is definitely for you. Or if you're looking for something under $1,500, this is definitely gonna be for you. I thought we did have the locking suspension on the front forks, but it's just an adjustable front fork suspension that handled pretty well with all the terrain I threw at it. I even did some jumps on it, which was pretty crazy because I'm always scared doing jumps on e-bikes that have the quick release, but so far they seem to be holding up pretty well. As always, guys, if you guys enjoyed that content, drop a like, and if you guys want to support the channel, please check out that link down below for the Velotric Discover 1 e-bike. Use code Shreddy60 to get $60 off your order. If Velotric isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. As always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next Velotric ride.